Hi, I'm Johnny, a core contributor to OpenXAI, an initiative powered by the Open Mesh Network. I've been building in the AI space for 3 years. Its growth has been unprecedented and the amount of innovation and investment has been amazing to see. But today I want to talk about a major problem in the AI industry. Despite its massive growth, AI governance is one of the biggest unanswered questions of our time. Who owns AI? Who controls data? Who gets to decide what is right and wrong? And most importantly, who has the power to distribute and enforce AI safety? Right now, 4 to 5 corporations monopolize the whole thing. Mega corporations like OpenAI, Google, X, Microsoft, and Amazon decide what AI should look like and how it is good for society. They pretty much decide the whole AI technology and narrative. They can shut down your AI services overnight, censor your content, and use your data without consent. There aren't many regulations around closed source AI technology. The other major issue is the same corporations that build these massive AI models also control the biggest data centers and cloud technologies, which are core resources for training these large AI models. So they also have full control over AI distribution and training. I don't know about you, but to me this sounds like a bad idea. Letting a handful of corporations behind closed doors decide the fate of the entire AI industry isn't just bad for all industry, it's a threat to everyone that doesn't have access to these powerful AIs. Imagine a powerful AI got out of their labs. What's going to happen to the world where AI is not widely available to the masses? These are very good questions to ask besides the AI hype at the moment. That's what the OpenXAI initiative is all about. A belief that AI should be open and should be available to everyone. Keeping AI open source allows anyone to inspect the code, making sure the transparency and security of the model. And whether it be Chinese AI models or US AI models, the users should be able to enjoy it without any censorship. I don't know if you know this, but after DeepSeek launched a few weeks back, many Western countries like the US, Australia, and Italy and South Korea banned pretty much most Chinese AI models. So if you are living in one of those countries now, you may not be able to use it. Now, I know there are many privacy and security concerns, which I can leave to talk about in another video, but the bottom line is technologies like DeepSeek should be accessible to anyone. Our AI technology choices shouldn't be restricted just because certain governments or powerful tech companies say so. So having access to AI without censorship is very important if we want to stay ahead of the game. We can't be restricting access to innovation and hoping for the best. Today I wanted to show you OpenXAI. It's a permissionless AI infrastructure and ecosystem that's owned by the community, not owned by VCs or corporations. Now, permissionless is important because there is no permission for you to access or use. Instead of centralized cloud networks to host and train the models, we use the Open Mesh decentralized cloud network to build, deploy, and manage the models. Since Open Mesh Network is a decentralized network, you can run your AI services from anywhere in the world without censorship. Imagine an ecosystem like Hugging Face, but completely decentralized. The main innovation here is that the user controls the entire AI model, the data, and the infrastructure. We leverage Web3 technologies like smart contracts, Web3 standards to build this permissionless layer. So with OpenXAI, you have full control over your models, no corporate oversight or restrictions, no censorship or content filtering, no middlemen taking a cut. Let me show you how easy it is to deploy an AI model that you control. We'll use OpenXAI Studio to deploy DeepSeek R1 on decentralized bare metal servers running our secure Xnode OS, an open source custom fork of NixOS optimized for AI workloads. So let's get started by visiting studio.openxai.org. Here is a list of the available models that you can deploy using OpenXAI Studio. There are more than 20 AI models, all open source, all available to deploy on decentralized cloud infrastructure. What makes OpenXAI special is it's completely open source and it has a Skyscanner style interface for bare metal provider deployments. It aggregates dedicated bare metal servers all around the world, ensuring that you get the best hardware at wholesale prices, often 80 to 90% cheaper than other cloud providers. In the near future, you'll be able to deploy any of these AI open source models to the major bare metal providers all around the world just by entering in your API key. Using Ethereum smart contract standards like ERC 4337, you can rent out access to your custom AI deployment, like selling access to your API. With ERC 721, you can tokenize your specific AI setup and prove that you own that deployment, and even sell that whole deployment as an NFT on OpenSea. With ERC 1155, you can split access to your AI service or datasets, letting multiple users pay to use or own a piece of your deployment. With Web3 on OpenX AI Studio, you can securely reach global users, get paid in crypto, and skip the middleman, all on a transparent, decentralized network. So during the launch of OpenX AI, there's a pool of 3 demo servers for anyone to play with, and you can deploy your own AI open source model to these. So when you click the deploy button, OpenX AI Studio deploys this AI app template. So what's in this AI app template? There's Xnode OS, which is a NixOS fork. It's a secure AI optimized operating system. There's Olama running in the backend for efficient model management. And then there's Open Web UI for easy chat interaction with your model. While we wait for the deployment, let's talk about what else can be built using these building blocks. In the near future, we will be hosting more hackathons where you can build your own AI projects. Some example projects could be Next.js chatbot front ends plugging into this backend, creating AI powered analytics dashboards, having AI enhanced blogging platforms, and building AI agent trading bots. Another example could be a real-time AI translation hub for a chat room. So stay attention to our socials and you'll be able to sign up for that hackathon shortly. And there you have it. AI model is now running on bare metal server with a open web UI chatbot front end. So let's test it out. So all you have to do is hit the launch button. You can open up the deployed server with the Open Web UI front end and chat to your model. Make sure you copy the username and the password to be able to log in. As you can see, we've deployed the DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion parameter model. From this screen, we can now chat to the model. So let's ask it a question. And there's our answer, and that concludes the demo. So today we were able to choose out of 20 plus models of many different parameter sizes, deploy it on top of bare metal, running on top of Xnode OS and Olama using the Open Web UI front end. If you'd like to learn more about our decentralized AI infrastructure, check out our docs page. Make sure you check out our projects page where you can see over the next year where the budget for OpenX AI is going. OpenX AI is building the next generation of permissionless AI infrastructure. No VCs, no corporate controls, just community-owned AI that anyone can access and deploy. Make sure you like and subscribe for more decentralized AI infrastructure updates. Remember, your AI, your rules, no middlemen. See you next time.